Hello to my dear friends, followers, listeners. How are you all? Hope all will be fine and doing very awesome. Today I'm going to show you an awesome strategy for boom and crash scalping. This is my real account and I'm going to show you how this thing gonna work. It's really very awesome. It's based on moving average strategy. You guys can easily make awesome pips daily basis. Okay, if you want to make trend scalping and swing trading, it's really for you. You just need to understand the basic point of this strategy, how this moving average strategy gonna work for you. So if you want to use another index like volatility all indexes, look at this point: boom 1000, crash 1000, boom 500, and crash 1000. Volatility all different indexes. And if you want to trade in other volatility indexes, you can use this strategy. This strategy is really gonna help you to easily make the decision of your trade, and you can easily understand the direction of trend, and also easily you understand the direction of swing. And for scalping too, look here, the volatility 75, a lot of people is doing trading in volatility 75. Okay, and now look at this point. Let me show you. If you want to trade on M1 time frame, so you are able to do that very easily. And look here, M1 time frame, and let me select the M1 time frame and show you continuously. This is showing there is no need any other time frame. Sorry, there is no need of any other indicator. You just need to start using these two moving averages. And look here, the buy is still showing the upward trend, and this moving averages also showing the upward trend. What you need to do, just simply go and select the moving average 100. Period shift 0 method will be smoothed and weight close to HLCC 4. I'm going to repeat again. Period will be 100, method will be smoothed and will close HLCC 4, and simply click on done. Once again, go and select the moving average 120. Period smoothed, and the same applied to weight close, and choose any color you like, any pixel you like. Okay, now the last moving average you just need to choose. Look here, moving average and 13. Okay, and change that exponential, apply to close, and change the color. I will choose the black because this is different. And look here guys, it's really very easy and very awesome. I just tested this strategy. Is gonna help us to make continuously pips. Look at this one. Once the 13 moving average cross this 120 and 100 moving average, look at this point. Let me highlight the area and show you clearly. Look at this point. Once the crossover happens, it means that market is continuously started going down. And look here, and after this, look at this one, the technical point also included in this, and market is started going down continuously. Is going down, so it means the downtrend is started for scalping M1 time frame. So we are not going to long hold this trade. So this is the M1 time frame. So this thing easily you made the pips. And look here, once again, when you see that market is started going upward and cross this moving average 13, cross that other 100 and 120 moving average, which means that market is going to buy. So it's very easy to predict the price momentum and also the direction of trend on any time frame. Okay, look here, it started buy and continuously going up. Okay guys, I hope you guys understand. Look at M5 time frame, and that sale started from this point on M1 time frame. Look here. But if you want to look at high time frame, look at this point. Once that market started going down, the 13 moving average and also crossing other moving average, and it started going on and continuously started going down. Okay, I would recommend to use, if you want to go for long M5 time frame. If you want scalp, M1 time frame is enough for you. And let's move on. Boom and crash index here, boom 500 is now. I'm going to select. So look at this point, and once that boom 500, choose the M1 time frame. Look, once that 13 moving average and also crossing to other moving average, so it's time to close your, open your trade and make awesome pips. Okay, and once that market is in range position, it will also show you that market is a range position, but it will help you to easily make pips. Okay, this is for scalping, guys, please. Okay, look at this point, and after this crossover, look how long the sale happened. So look how easy. For buy, you just seen that the spike happened, and after spike, once it crossed, you enter in the spike trade, and after look here how many spikes. So it's really easy and very awesome strategy. Okay, look here, a buy position at this point, and once a spike happened, that moving average pull from this point and crossed. Once it crossed that moving average, it started going up. Okay, and look here, continuously you milked it 1 2 3 spikes. Okay, and look at this point, and once market started going down, it crossed this point, and continuously you made that sell position, and look how many pips. It's really very awesome. In spike catching, look at this point, once that spike happened, a long spike, that 13 moving average goes up directly and crossed all moving averages 100 and 120, and showing that market will go up. And look here how awesome pips. Okay guys, and look here, let me show you crush 500. Look at this, crush 500 is going continuously down, and from this point, once we seen that market is started going down, look at this point, guys. Once that moving averages crossed each other, so it means that market will go start going down, and continuously look here that market started going down. So it's really very easy and very simple to predict the price momentum and also the trend direction on any time frame you're using. Okay, let's see the M5 time frame. Look here, the M5 time frame also is showing that continuously downside. Okay, that red and the green moving average used as a support and the resistance, you will easily make continuously awesome pips. So if you still have any question, please check the description, our group link available in the description. Ask your question and we will help you to understand clearly. Okay guys, so it's really very awesome. Boom 1000, let's see the boom 1000. Look here, boom 1000 at this point. Look here, at this point market started going down, and look here, continuously market went in sale. Look at this point, this is all sale, and your trade made awesome pips. Okay, and let's see crash 1000. Crash 1000 also is going down. Just you seen that the market is crossing. Once that cross happen, after crossing you need to enter your position and hold your position. Look here, continuously till that new cross happen, you need to hold your trade. Okay guys, it's really very easy. You guys understand, watch till end, subscribe our YouTube channel, hit the like button and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.